Hello, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Enchanted Moon box. It was going to be a quarterly box, but now I'm thinking it's an every other month box. My address is on the top, and I don't want necessarily for that to be put out there, even though probably a lot of you I've already sent packages to. But whatever. This box was gifted to me from Tina at the Enchanted Moon. I'm going to leave a link for her YouTube page. She does a wide variety of witchy box reviews, which are really helpful if you're trying to pick a witchy subscription box. And also she has her own wonderful shop and her own box that she makes, so check that out. I like these little leaves. I always love little leaves, and I love twine. Ooh, I don't want to hurt you, please. Oh god. So I'm going to try to save that guy. Let's just put all his little parts over here. Sorry, little guy. I'm not particularly good at identifying plants, but I'm sure she says what it is. Okay, we got ourselves an oracle card. I don't think I've ever gotten one of these. Very cute. I'm a mouse. So cute. Advantage. So let me put that here. And then I'm going to look at the theme. I remember she told me the theme. God bless it. And I said it last time during this video, but I forgot. The Witch is Familiar. Ooh, I'm excited. The mouse. That brings a new little, like, thought to it. Okay, let's see. It's a little card. Aww. Pretty little doves. Hello there. Brandy, thank you for your honest review. I hope you enjoy this box as well. Be safe, and blessings from the Enchanted Moon. Animal stone is missing. Into card. Sorry. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure I will know what that means too. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm super blessed to receive this, and I'm really excited. So let's see. All right. Oh, I love this black bag. I have a lot of these. I saved all of these, and this one's black. I don't think I got any colored ones, but now I do. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. Very pretty. I'm not good at recognizing stones that I don't get often, and so I'm gonna move this a little bit so that I can put all the items here and you can see. I'm having a little bit of kidney pain. I think I did not drink enough water. Oh, it's got little paws. That's so cute. Ooh, it's a snake. Give me some of that Kundalini energy. I need to get pregnant over here. Band of Weirdos Best Friend set. Enamel pin and collar charm. Very cool. I don't know where to begin. Let's start with the incense. I always love incense. This actually looks homemade. Ooh, and it smells really rich and fragrant. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, this is heavy. This is heavy for the size. Let me get a little knife here. Hopefully I don't... Oh, God. So awkward. I'm just happy. It's a beautiful day, and I'm finally off work. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. Wow. Tarot Familiars. Cool. I'm going to fold this very carefully so that I can repurpose it. You guys know what I say. Waste not, want not. Okay. Definitely going to look at that. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. Ooh, we got a book. We've got a book. Sorry, Bench. I don't want you to get hurt. Oh, I love it. Let's untie this twine. I don't know if I told you guys, but I literally save all the pieces of twine and I have them rolled up in a big giant ball. Trying to preserve this because I reuse this. Ooh, I love it. Yeah. There we go. It's a book. The Witch is Familiar by Raven Gramassi. Cool. I've heard good things about this author. You could check out some of his books on, reviews on some of his books on Elena's page, The Witch's Box. She does a witchy book too. So very cool. And then let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at this kitty. So pretty. It's like a little canvas picture frame thing. Very cute. Like a little spider web with a little feather. Very, very pretty. My kitty cat is black, but I still like it a lot. Alright, let's check it out. This is very, very cool. Very, very nice. Alright. Okay. Just gotta put everything where it goes. The Witch is Familiar. Thank you for your purchase. I truly hope you enjoy. The items in this box are to help you on your magical journey to help you find your or connect with your familiar. The items in this box can be used any way you wish. 1. A must for this journey. The Witch is Familiar, Spiritual Partnerships for Successful Magic by Raven Gramassi. It is full of information on the history, choosing your familiar, relationships, and much more. This will help you and guide on your magical journey. A great read. So very exciting. I'm going to be candid. I don't have, this is not something that I've really invested in. I have deep, close relationships with my animals, but never like what I felt to be a magical relationship. Although Sam, which is our golden retriever, he's a groomsman in our wedding. He has come to me quite often in my dreams, but he's already long passed. So this is going to be really an interesting journey for me. I've never done this. Although the cat's very, very interested in me, and she comes and sleeps on my head every damn night. So maybe she's keeping me totally safe. To help connect you further on the spiritual journey to your familiar, Tarot Familiars Tarot Deck by Lisa Parker. 78 beautifully illustrated cards to guide you spiritually on your journey. The rest of the items included in this collection are for sacred space. An enchanting piece of wall art of different familiars created by a couple different artists. So I guess if you guys get a box, it will be potentially different. So that's really, really cool. I always love, that's one of my favorite things about watching a whole bunch of different unboxings is like the potential variety. Next, I included a spirit familiar made from dolomite from Peru. Ooh, dolomite, perfect for your altar. We have included a few different kinds as well with an info card. Cat, wolf, or dog. Mine is a snake, which is cool. Witch is Familiar Protection Bottle Spell Kit. The kit includes all you will need to create a protection bottle for your familiar. Okay. That must be what she was saying. Oh, Okay, now I'm getting... So this one said the animal stone is missing the info card. That's okay. I'm pretty well familiar with snakes, but that's really okay. I think that I didn't get the protection bottle spell kit, which is totally fine because I got this box for free. Kit includes all you will need to create a protection bottle for your familiar. A black chime candle, a cork jar. Oh, I love jars. A magical herbal blend of catnip, mugwort, and rosemary. Silver pentacle with ribbon and directions. Best to do it on the new moon. So that would have been really, really cool. The Hypersthene crystal. Ooh, is that what this is? Has useful energy that may help to boost psychic gifts and may aid you opening up clairaudience and clairvoyance, also known as psychic visions. Also known as the magical stone, this may be partly because of their vibration can help you find solutions to problems quite quickly. Helps to hear the voice of spirit. Well known to aid you in receiving messages from spirit and help communicate. Wow, beautiful. I don't think I have these. The Witch's Familiar Pin and Charm Set. Perfect for any witch and their familiar. One for each of you. Was created by Band of Weirdos. This is really pretty. I like that a lot. To finish up this collection, I have added these awesome incense sticks to use anytime in your magical journey to your familiar. Whether it's reading, using for your tarot, or meditating, they're called the Journey. Finally, in each box, I included an intuitively drawn oracle card from the Witch's Familiar Oracle deck by Barbara Meikle John Free, designed by Kate Osborne. Look for our next box shipping May 31st. Fairy Magic. Ooh, girl. Love and Light Enchanted Moon. I love this paper. It's really pretty. I'm gonna send her a little message. There was a little thing missing, but overall, even without that, this was a very nice box. Just these two items are really super add a lot of value. I love this little snake. So cool, and I don't have anything like it, so I'm really excited about that. I don't have anything like this. I actually love these a lot because I have a couple ratty they're ratty now because I've used them so much, canvas bags that I take into the forest with me, and I put the pins on them, and it really just tickles me to have beautiful pins on it. I'm really going to meditate on this because this is really cool, and I'm really excited about this. And this is so cute. Look at this kitty cat. I love it. It's a very good box. I believe that this box is about the same price as the Witch's Moon and Sacred Space Crate and Sugar Muses Deluxe. And very, very comparable value. Totally like a lot of quality practical items for you to use. I am not 100% sure the exact price, so I will put it, it should be in the link in the description box below. Number one, I will say I don't think I've ever gotten a box in, over 2 years about familiars. I don't think so. No, I can't think so. I've gotten them occasionally about animals, but never specifically about a familiar. So this is very original. And it comes at a really good time because Bobo, my basset hound, has cancer. So like we're really trying to enjoy what time left we have of him. So it's been actually a pretty shitty week. When you start your week with that kind of news, it's rough. But it's really like poignant for me. And I'll try to, we're already trying to make him comfortable and happy, and hopefully we'll get a couple more months out of his life. Or, I mean, as long as he's not suffering, I don't want it to seem really selfish. So that's a fine line. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. Beautiful box. Thank you so much, Tina. You guys check this out. I've never seen this theme done elsewhere, and the items are really nice quality and really good value. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.